Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming with you. The question is Samsung good or does Samsung suck? That unfortunately is up to you to decide, but I'm going to give you my 2 cents worth. Now everybody knows Samsung has an issue right now. We're not going to go into that one because they are doing their best to address that the best way they can. Now when it comes to a fridge is a fridge. Do I think Samsung is bad? No. Do I think all the other manufacturers are good? Not necessarily. Every manufacturer has its good points and its bad points. What you need to determine is what is right for you. Now, Samsung has several different options. Like I said, the way these things work, the insides, they're trying to do it a little bit different than the other manufacturers, where they place their controls, what they have available, where their water filters are, how to do things like that. Personally, not really. I mean, the fridge is a fridge. Like I said, every manufacturer has its good points. Every manufacturer has problems. I've been doing this for a lot of years, and in all reality, Samsung wants a bigger market share, so they put a lot of product out there. When you put more product out there, you have more problems. It is a numbers game. If I have 3% of something I make is going to be bad, and I have 1,000, therefore I have, or 100, I have 3. If I have 1,000, I have 30. So the percentages aren't this different. It's just the numbers are bigger because the amount they're putting out is larger. So no, Samsung is not a bad appliance. It just has a lot of them out there because they're trying to get a bigger market share. LG did the same thing way back when. Whirlpool's done the same thing in their time. It's just the law of numbers. Okay, anytime you have anything mass productions, you have inherent flaws with the appliance. Now, if you don't like Samsung, you're never going to like them. If you do like Samsung, you're always going to like them. But don't just walk away from appliance because it has the name Samsung, okay? Look at it, check it out. If it's got the things you like, if you like the fact that it has the ones that have the touchpad, the thing system, those are actually quite good. Do your research, figure out for yourself, and don't let someone tell you what you can and cannot buy. So don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, come back later, and we'll have more good content for you. Have a good day.